Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching the videos like always. And today I've been to Farm Foods and I picked up a breakfast in a air fryer meal bag apparently. Obviously you don't cook it in a bag, it all comes together and it's a bigger portion, better value. $2.49 breakfast air fry bag. Comes with 2 sausage, 2 gammon grills, 2 hash browns and 2 slices of black pudding. So I might do some beans with this. I'm going to be completely honest, I'm not expecting too much. MJ's Diner, in the air fryer, 15 to 20 minutes. I don't know what these gammon grills are all about. It's not actually like bacon, it's a little bit thicker. So yeah, well, let's have a little look. Let's open it up. You can cook it in the oven, 30 minutes. Let's open it up and have a little look, shall we? 2 hash brown. Smells okay. 2 sausage. This looks like a basic sausage. 2 gammon grills. What is that? What on earth is that? That's a gammon grill. That looks about as processed as anything I've ever seen. Yeah, putting me off eating it a little bit, but hey, I'll give it a try. And 2, you know, decent sized hash browns. So yeah, right, let's get this in the air fryer and yeah, cut back to me when it's cooked and we'll give it a go. Oh, right, so I had to cook this in the oven because I could only get half of it in the air fryer. But yeah, we'll give it a go nonetheless and we'll try both, see if they're any good. But it takes a little bit longer in the 10 minutes to 15 minutes more in the oven. Okay, get it out of the air fryer now, put it onto the plate. And that's what we're looking at. I've put half in the air fryer and I've put half in the oven. So we'll get the oven bit out now and compare. Okay. Left side's the air fryer, right side the oven. Looking very, very similar. Yeah, that looks awful. But yeah, all right, let's give it a go. Right, just like that, we're back. So, as you can see, this piece of bacon thing first, I have no idea. Look at that. Let's give it a go. Oh my God. Oh. I'm not even sure I'd feed that to me dog, to be completely honest with you. I don't know what it is. It looks like a bloody cow's tongue or something. Yeah, not for me. That tastes rank, horrible, nothing out of 10. Sausage. Sausage actually pretty good. Yeah, it tastes a bit like a Richmond's. Black pudding, not the biggest of fan of black pudding, but you know what? Very tasty, black pudding. Hash brown, so crispy this, nice and thin. Mmm. That, delicious main event. Best one on there. Individually, 9 out of 10. 6.5 out of 10. 6 out of 10. 0 out of 10. For $2.49, for 2 sausage, 2 bacon, 2 black pudding, 2 hash brown, if they'd actually replaced this thing with normal bacon, believe it or not, which I thought before I bought it it'd be a 2 out of 10, it actually gets it would have got an 8 out of 10. With this on there, it's a 5. It's a 5, but it's still not terrible quality, really. $2.49, you get 2 sausage, 2 hash brown. Do you know what I mean? It's not terrible quality for $2.49, is it? Really? You know, 2 sausage, 2 bacon, 2 hash brown. You put some beans with it. You know, you're going to be paying 7-8 quid in the calf or whatever. So, yeah, it's actually surprised me a little bit. And I've noticed in Farm Foods they do a couple of selections of these. They've got like chicken and chips, something else, you know, curry and chips. So if you'd like to see me give them a try, just let me know in the comments if you want to or not, and then obviously I'll do a video about that. But yeah, would I recommend it? I would not recommend it. I just don't know if you'll be a fan of this. I don't know what it doesn't know what it tastes like. It's like, no, I can't eat that. It tastes so bad. But apart from that, I'd recommend. Thanks for watching the video as always, really appreciate it. Yeah, if there's any other ideas or anything else you want me to try that you've seen, let me know in the comments. Thank you very much, and have a good day.